My name is Mark Meads. I started Rapid Flow in 1985. I had learned the trade from my father, was a self-employed plumber. The most important part of the trade that I learned from was the drain cleaning. He was one of the very few plumbers at the time who actually did the drain cleaning. You know, we went from residential, we went from the main sewer lines, kitchen sinks and tub drains, and then because of the quality of work that I did, I got a big break when somebody from Massport, Logan Airport, and they had a backup and they called somebody, a local plumber. He couldn't do it, he called me. We've expanded our services right now to include pipe lining, not just residential, but from manhole to manhole in cities and towns. We do complete manhole rehabilitation, epoxy line, cement line. We offer a full, complete grouting service for any sewer joints, any leakages in joints. We pressure test them, provide grouting for all the joints. We can actually provide a lining service so we can line the lateral for a house right from the street without even have to going into the house.
We're able to do basically every aspect of pipe rehab work, from the clean TV to the rehabilitation of the system. We can do it from start to finish. We don't need to subcontract any of that work out. We can do everything in-house, which allows us for scheduling for a contract to go much smoother because we don't have to rely on other contractors to come in and finish the job. There's a lot of situations where companies that just have a clean and TV truck, you know, a Vactor and the video truck, they'll go out, find the issue for the town or city, and they say, all right, here's your issue. The city's like, all right, what do we do? We can mobilize a crew instantly to go take care of that issue that day.
Technology's come a long way. There was a lot of guessing and chances that we took back in the day that there is no need for. There's a lot of new equipment that obviously came up with technology, location equipment, camera equipment. We can camera anything from an 1.5-inch pipe all the way up to a 100-inch pipe.
I manage Logan Airport. We handle all the grease traps, fry oil, drain issues, small plumbing. Again, it's the 24/7. We respond with a phone call or service within the hour. I think that's the difference between, you know, us and the competition.
We do work for Mass Highway, the old MDC, which is now the DCR, Logan Airport, the convention centers. We went from that one van that I had that we now have about 67 vehicles. We've got 8 combination Vactor trucks. We've got 6 video inspection trucks, 2 grout units. We've got a specialized cutting unit that goes into the sewer lines that we can remove a piece of steel that maybe a pole that might be going through a sewer line. We can cut it out, seal the pipe. Cities and towns now, they don't want to be digging up highways. They don't want to be digging up the streets. It causes the traffic implications. I mean, the issues that go on with the environment of, you know, having to get machines in there to dig. We want to be innovative. We want to be able to offer the latest but the best service for customers in any industry. If it's possible at all to be done, we will take care of it.